Hello guys, continue with this combi DX new home. For open this cover, I already opened, so I just want to show you. You push this, the handle, and there are two screws, one and two, and take off your away the cover, and there are a manual. I think there are a manual in one website for free download, and I lay you in the descriptions. It make sure first it is there for you to checking how do. Here the two screws and expose this area. Since you know this machine is serger overlock in the right side, and in the left is a soy machine normal. It's like a two machines in one. Really beautiful design. Well, we're going to find this. Like I tell you always, you need to put the hands in the hand well and start to tour. You see, I already cleaning. That was messy or grease and many parts that no need. So you just checking the one in grease. After cleaning, is this can here. Need to be grease. And a drop of oil according to the manual. If you see the manual for understand better, this show this is the hand well here. So we are like in the hand well. Looks like a S. See, go like that, like that. Because you checking the hand well is in here. I already take the cover. I already take the other cover, but the idea is you checking this button. Show me is this one. So this is the parts where you're going to put oil. Oil, where is the arrows? Now we can go to the machine and checking. It's like a normal I do in the machine. Subscribe to my videos. You can find many things for soy and also for fixes machines. Okay, I'm going to put the oil. I put here. Always go one drop oil, no more, just one. And here grease. If you know what grease I use in all the videos, is this one. And here, this is the handle, and they show the place for put the oil. Checking here. There. The other place is in here. When you see how more of the handle and you see how much the parts was, you can put a drop oil in here, a drop oil over this, the ones small ballast over here, in this part. This is how it looks. Now, if we want to go to the side for the serger, just take this screw in the middle, and you can take that part And I take already the preserved food that go over here. So, I'll show you here. Now, that show us to open. We are in the size of the overlock. This screw already take, and they say put the oil in this part is where go the needle. You see, here and here. No more. And already I take the play. For take the play, first you need to take the your preserved food. For here, you just unscrew that and you take your preserved food. Take the needle like a normal. There are a screw here when you can take your needle, and this coming like that. Take the two screws and screw that. This and the other one. Take that and you can clean in all the area. Also, here I open these two just to show you, just to check in. Like I tell you, it's the first time I had this machine. It's so interesting, so beautiful. Huh? Well, the idea is not very well our machine. This one. Expose this part. You can pass a brush, cleaning, and I put a draw oil in here. That is how close. It's all in this part. And in here, you can put the draw oil, how they say, is in this bar. The good thing is how move this machine. You see, it's that roll hand in the bottom. With this one, you can move to the other side for no more, or in this to the right for she can rotate like that. It's more easy to for use the two parts of the machine. Since she's no more, that is no more because now we had that in soil. But we know what point says. You just can put the oil there. It's not in this bar. It's the bar for the needle. And they say put the oil in this bar. One drop, no more. And the other go in the top over there. In that top. We're going to put that oil and it's all. Now, if we can go to the other side, here, for open this part, is in the same situation. The cover. This is the cover. Just go in the same way and screw this one and expose that. You can put the draw oil, how I say, also this bar. When you move the hand well, you see already I put the oil there, one draw oil and one draw oil, and a little grease there when it's the bar for doing that. So there are the mechanisms here, as you can see. I put there a little grease. And that's all. It's like a maintenance machine. Really, this is not in a bad condition like others. Using the button, how I showed you in the other videos, was messy with black grease and I needed to take off. But the rest is like it looks okay. Don't forget in the part of the when you come here, you need to clean the disc. Here, the tensions, the two tension discs. Don't forget to cleaning. I show you in other videos. You use something like a pantyhose or something. Don't go into lip, and you pass like that inside the disc this way, and this is the way how you cleaning all the part, because it's important the part be cleaning to get a good stitches. Okay. Well, we continue and we're going to see how work this machine. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you and please continue pray for the work. Bye.